As you get the kids ready to go back to school, there's an opportunity for them to learn a new profession, perhaps outside the classroom. Lakewood is restarting its teen court program after a pandemic pause.
Yeah, hands-on experience here where teens can serve as attorneys and jury members and judges in real court cases. Very interesting. Denver 7 reporter Jessica Crawford, who is an attorney herself, joins us with a unique program. This is all in the name of restorative justice.
Yes, and restorative justice is all about repairing the community that a person harmed by doing the crime. So in teen court, teens who have done lower level crimes like shoplifting or trespassing, they're going to have the opportunity to be tried and sentenced by a jury of their peers, other young people. And Lakewood Teen Court is looking for a few good teens who want to get involved.
You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth!
Ever wanted to do that? Well, if you're between the ages of 13 and 17, Teen Court in Lakewood just may be the perfect venue.
I think the coolest part about Teen Court is positive peer pressure.
Caleb Mulvin is a youth probation officer in Lakewood.
Following your court at around 4 o'clock.
He's helping bring back the Teen Court program, a program in which teens who do minor crimes can be tried and sentenced by a jury of their teen peers if they so choose. It's a diversion program, meaning upon completion of the sentence, the charge can be dismissed.
The positive side of peer pressure is just seeing these kids in a professional role of, your defense attorney or the prosecuting, and they can kind of see like, oh, okay, I can do something different. I can pursue this avenue of life.
Teens can play the roles of defense attorneys, prosecutors, the jury, or the judge. Mulvin says it can help the teen defendants learn the consequences of their actions and help them make better choices.
Through participating in Teen Court, they're going to be able to develop skills, they're going to develop empathy for their victims, and then they'll be able to write either like an essay or an apology letter to their victim, take on classes like discovering better choices or discovering empathy for the victims as well.
The program first started back in 2006 and ran up until the pandemic.
I can tell you anecdotally is that we don't have our teen court kids coming back through this system. The majority of them are successful and move on and don't ever have another contact with criminal justice.
From the judge to the jury to the attorneys and the defendants.
I have a greater responsibility than you can possibly fathom.
Every teen plays a big role in making the criminal justice system better for young people.
But at the end of the day, we're here to help you to be successful and to get back on the right path.
They don't look as scary as Jack Nicholson.
No, not quite as scary. Yeah, so they're really, really hoping to get some teens who can be involved with this. You know, every time you're starting a program back up, it can be a little difficult. So if any kids are interested, just know that I did put a link to the application on our website, denver7.com.
It gives the kids some buy-in, some ownership
I wish I
into
could have
the
done
legal
it.
process.
You know, they are looking for judges, Nicole.
Older adults?
I mean, I think that, they're looking for all kinds of volunteers. They want a few cycles of kids to go through the program before they choose a kid as a judge. So if you want to help out, just reach out, just look at that article.
Very interesting.